Hello friends, in this video we will talk about the research topic sentiment analysis. Though this topic has been explored to a lot of extent and now we are moving from text to other sources of sentiment analysis like pictures, videos, etc. But still the text-based sentiment analysis holds research value even in today's time. So let us first understand what is sentiment analysis and then we will look at some of the research lacuna that we have in this area. So first of all, if we look at this piece of text, the input text here, then I have performed a sentiment analysis using the monkeylearn.com website. This is a free website where you can perform online sentiment analysis. So basically sentiment analysis is reading a set of lines and trying to estimate that what was the emotion of the person who has written a particular line of text. For example, we have a line of text, "Hi, this is Mark. I have been trying to reach you since a month. I wish you will respond to this email I am writing to you." Now, this kind of a letter, it sounds as a complaint that I have been trying to reach you and I hope that you will respond to this email. So it is it shows a lot of despair in the way the email has been written, and therefore it has been tagged as negative by the software, and it is 47% negative. Then we have, "Hi, this is Mark. How are you? I'm writing to you since this is important matter for my organization. I have been trying to reach you since a month and finally got your email, and I'll be glad to receive your response." Now in this particular email, we are writing why this email is important, because we need some kind of a help from the person to whom we are writing, and they have been trying to reach him and finally they have got hold of him through his email, and so this is a partially positive email, and it uses a lot of positive words, but still some cribbing is there that "I have been trying to reach you but could not reach you" and like that, which would have been better if this was communicated when they were in person than in writing in an email. So that way this is not a very professional way of writing. So it is a positive email with 87%. Now writing the same content in a fully positive manner, 95% positivity is there. So, "Hi, this is Mark. I am happy to tell you that my organization is keen to get inputs from you about this topic. We are able to trace your email address and we are glad that we could contact you." So in this also we are telling that we have made an effort to find the email, but in a very positive way. And the text analysis software has also marked this as a 95% positive text. So this way we have the same set of words written in different manner, and then the different tone detections that has been done by the software. So the sentiment analysis has been performed by the software. So sentiment analysis is identifying the tone. Now why this is important? Suppose you have customers and you want to respond to their comments on Google Play or on various platforms like Zomato or other websites or apps from where you are taking orders. You want to classify who are your happy customers, who are your not so happy customers. So like this, we want to detect that what kind of a tone, with what kind of a emotion a person has written a particular comment, whether it is sarcasm, whether it is happy, whether it is not very happy. So that way we want to categorize, and based on this a lot of applications are there, because actually it is if we are able to correctly detect the emotion of the person who has written, and and we have seen that how Twitter has been useful in the elections in several countries. So that has a huge impact, and people can, establish a brand or destroy it by way of just writing comments on a social media platform. So that is why this is very important. So early sentiment analysis, opinion polarity was identified by Turney in 2002. This is the oldest paper that I could find. Maybe there are more papers, but this is an important paper which will tell you that what is opinion polarity. Then polarized text, negative and positive tone. So this particular author, Pang and Lee, written in 2008, they point out that information gathering behavior always involves finding that what other people think about a particular thing. And social media is a very powerful tool. So we have emotional potential in social media, Leskovic in 2007. Then text objectivity by Barbosa and Feng in 2010, and Twitter and elections, Wang 2012, and emotional content in brands, Dwivedi in 2019. These are some of the very important papers that will help you gain insight into what kind of a power lies in sentiment analysis. Then we have different kind of emotions. Various classes of emotions have been defined, and in 1890, William James defined 4 basic emotions: fear, grief, love, rage. Then in 1990, Paul identified 6 emotions: anger, disgust, fear, happiness, sadness, and surprise. In 1996, Richard and Bernice identified 15 emotions. Then Berkeley gave 27 categories, and it is a complex map of emotions which involves a lot of detail, and popularly used is Roberts' basic emotion diagram, which is popularly available on Google also. So we have to classify, it is mostly the applications that we see these days, they classify in 4 or 6 forms, but actually what we want is this 27 category map of emotions that we should be able to identify in the text. So that is the lacuna in the available literature, and a lot of potential is there in sentiment analysis research. So I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my channel, subscribe to it, recommend it to your friends, and thank you very much for watching.